This is Computer Studies Word Processor, which was done in the year 2012. Tip-top Consultants has shortlisted candidates for an interview for various positions in the organization. The following is a standard letter for each of the candidates to be interviewed. The information enclosed in this one represent details about the recipients, position, dates, and time of the interview. Using a word processor, type the document as it appears and save it as letter main. So you're supposed to type this one. So we launch our word processor, and then we type the way it is. That is the important thing first. So you're supposed to type. So it is Tip-top Consultants. Tip-top Consultants. And then it is center aligned, as you can see. And as you can see again, each letter here is capitalized. So you come here, capitalize each word like that one. I increase the font size, maybe 18. I bold it. At else, just increase the font size. That is what I'm interested in. Like that one. Below it, these are the remain as 12. We have top human resources consultants. Top human resource consultants. Top human resources consultants. As you can see here, this one is capitalized, and each letter is capitalized. Each word is capitalized. So come here, capitalize each word. It is italicized. It's not bolded, but it is italicized. That one. So this one is right aligned. Remove that one, and then we are supposed to type this one. PO Box 456. Sorry. PO Box 456. PO Box 456, Nairobi, comma, then Nairobi. PO Box 456 in Nairobi. Then you're supposed to insert this side, tell this number. So this one I can use this one, tabs. It's there. It is tell. Then you write the number 03222 sorry, 03222 3251 3251 4233 4233. This other one, Forty-two 4233. This other one I use the tabs again, and then I type email info@tip-top info@tip-top.co.ke. And then Monday 11 April 2009. Monday 11 April 2009. Monday 11 April 2009. Then we have a full stop there. Monday has a comma, and then here has a full stop. And then we have this one, first name, second name. First name. Then we have second name. Second name. Like that one. And then pair box. Pair box. So you type like this one, though it appears. So I'm supposed to type the regis. This is the important thing. I forgot to bullet this one. I just want to show you this one, this part. So you come here to num bullets, you choose the one, this square bracket, that one, and then I'm supposed to bold this one, and then I underline. I can change the font type maybe to be Times Roman, but you're not instructed in the question, or I change all of it to be Times Roman. Sorry, I want it to be Times Roman. Okay, so we can read the question now. Insert the following as footer. Insert the following as footer. Vision to be a leader in the provision of quality human resource for development. That one is the important thing. And then again, so a footer is a text that appears below every page in the document. So footer usually appears at this point. I just double click, and then we type vision, 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 then quotation mark, to be a leader in the vision of quality, to be a leader in, to be a leader in the provision of quality, to be a leader in provision of quality human resource, to be a provision of quality human resource for development. This one I just capitalize, for development. For development, and then an end of quotes. And then this one, as you can see, it is italicized. Just place it to be italicized, and then I change this one to be Times Roman, like that one. To be a leader in a provision of quality human resource for development. Human resource is capitalized again, like that one. So that one, you are okay with that. And then create a logo in the figure 1 and position it below the statement top human resources consultants, below here. So I will do that. I want you to check here. So this one, I just move this text so that I can insert my logo easily, like that one. So insert. As you can see, this logo, it has this line, and this shape. Okay, we'll insert shapes. Usually I use the grid lines. View grid lines. This one will help me to insert perfectly my shape. So shapes, I insert this line. It's not very long. Change the outline to be black. and then width like that one. Insert the second shape, this shape, then I can rotate, bring it here, sorry, I can remove this shape. I reinsert again to be perfect. Or I choose this one, no problem. This is a rectangle, I make it a square. 133. Okay, then I rotate it here, it here. You can pause the video, try and insert the shape, there is no problem. Like that one. As you can see, the measurement here, they are the same. Can change this one to be maybe 2 centimeters by 2. Like that one. Then insert another line. Then I just make it to be darker like that one. So we type the text here, TTC. So you are supposed to insert a text box. Then I delete that one, it will be TTC. Then I move it here. This shape format, fill, we'll place it no fill. Then these are shape outline, place it white. Then this one, shape outline, it will be black, and then you can increase the weight. Then this one again, increase the weight to be 3. This other one, increase the weight. Sorry. This shape is this one. I can decide to group, just right click, sorry, I want to separate the shapes a little bit. So I can reinsert again. There is a line that is, the first line is here. Make it to be 3, black in color, and then white to be 3. Another line. Black, white to be 3 for uniformity. Then I highlight all of this shape, hold control, highlight this one, hold control, highlight this shape, right click, and then you're supposed to group, hold control on your keyboard, right click, and then you're supposed to group. There was to TTC, you can reinsert a text box, TTC, member of group, there is no problem, so you place it here, we place it now outline, and now outline. Then reduce the font size. Like that one. Then we group again. Then we just move downwards. Like that. Then we continue. We remove the grid lines. Okay. We read the question again. Inside the table of this one now it is mailings. It is all about mailings. So you're supposed to insert mailings, and then type a new list, and then custom columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We delete up to state. So we delete, and then the remaining ones we rename. This is title. Yes, that one is correct. And then we have first name, and then we have second name, first name, second name. This one we rename it to be second name. And then after second name we have address. So this one will rename it as address. And then after address we have town. This one is town. And then after town we have position. We rename this one to be position. After position we have date. This one we rename it as date. And then after date we rename this one as time. Then you press OK, you accept all of it, and then now you type this list. Miss Anyango, this one is Miss Anyango, Miss Anyango Wafula, then address 36 56 75, 36 56 75, and then town. This person is coming from Kisumu, and then one is Kisumu. Position ICT assistant. Kisumu, then ICT assistant. Date is 6th December 6th. This one is superscript 6th December is 6th December, and then 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. New entry, you do like that. So you're supposed to save this one. As a list file. So I press OK, and then this one I usually save in desktop, and then I type it list file. The way it is in a question. List file. As you can see here, you're supposed to save like that. And then I just press OK, save. And then the question is, using a mail merge feature, merge the file letters main and list file and save the documents as merge document. So this one is supposed to insert only a merge field. So insert merge field. This was first name. I place some space here. This one is last name. Insert last name, the second name, then the address, and then town, and then you place there full stop, and then title, use some space, then second name, place there comma, and then position here. The work is only inserting a merge field, nothing difficult here. And then here we have date, and then listen space, and then time, full stop, and then you leave some space. I think it is okay. You are supposed to do what? Using a merge feature, merge the letters with the main file and the list file and save the document as merge document. So you're supposed to finish and merge, edit individual documents all, and then you press OK. So this one now, as you can see, I'm supposed to save this one as merged file. So save as desktop, and then this one is called merged file. And save usually in desktop like that one. Then you continue the question. Insert page numbers at the top right hand side. Insert page numbers. So insert page number at the top right side. Right side is this one, plainly. Like that one. We are instructed in the question. And then using list file as data source, create a list of addresses to be printed on envelope as shown in the, and save it as envelope. Using a list file as a data source, create a list of addresses to be printed on envelope as shown in figure 2 and save it as envelope. using a list file as a data source, create this one. I'm supposed to create something like this one. So this one I want to close it. Yes, you're supposed to save that one. And then I open my blank document, and then my work is very simple. Just insert these merge fields. So mailings, select recipients, use an existing list. It was called, it is in desktop. It's called list file, open, and then I'm using that one. You're supposed to insert title. So my work is very simple. Insert title, and then we have first name, some space, and then first name, insert merge field, first name, and then second name, comma, second name, then I'm seeing some comma there, and then peer box, and then address, comma, then you have town. So it's called town. Insert a merge field called town, like that one. And then using a list file, this one, printed on list of addresses to be printed on envelope as shown, and save it as envelopes. So this one again I am supposed to merge and finish, and then this one I'm supposed to save it as what? Envelopes. Like that one. Don't forget to save in desktop. So each one of them. And then what else? Print the following. Is supposed to print the main letter, the list file, page 5 of the merge document, addresses to be printed on the level of very okay. Thank you for being my audience. In case of a question, you can in the comment section you can ask, comment, share. Good day.